So I just let my job know that I'm not coming back. That's it. We are moving to Kentucky. This is what Dylan and I have always dreamed of, moving to the woods, and it's happening. We leave tomorrow to go fix up the cabin and make a home.
Typical road trip. A lot. It is, what time is it? It's 6:02. What is today? March? May. Huh? 19. May 19th. And we're headed to Kentucky to go fix up a cabin.
So we have just gotten to Kentucky and we've unloaded the trailer. It's sprinkling a little bit, but not too bad. We've unloaded the trailer and now we are mowing down a bunch of the brush because it's so overgrown, so we can get our trailer turned around to go get scaffolding. So this first day, we are going to get all the drywall and the insulation and scaffolding so we can work on the inside and the ceiling and the roof and the walls. So excited.
Day one is complete. We've ripped out all of the ceiling, all of the insulation, and everything. We're leaving these. Everything's ready to be put back. No rotted boards, we're so lucky. The ceiling is still in great shape. There's only one hole to patch. Literally can't believe it. We are so lucky, in great shape, and it is so beautiful out. One second. So here's all of our trash outside. All of this junk, but look how pretty it is. Love it. It is pouring. It's the morning of day 2 and it rained all night long, and so this morning we are putting up drywall and insulation in the roof. You can't see anything, but it was a rainy night. Rainy, but excited.
Okay, so today we plan to put up the drywall on the ceiling, but we soon found that was really difficult because it's so high up. And then Eric had the bright idea to put in the loft first, and then we could easily put in the ceiling because we have something to stand on instead of the scaffolding. So then we went to the store twice today and got the stuff to make the loft. So we have glued together the loft boards and beams to hold to support the loft for tomorrow because they have to stay glued for 24 hours. And then we insulated the lower walls that we could reach, and we cleared some parts around the house and burned some stuff, but we're excited for tomorrow to get the loft in and finish the drywall. The sun is here. It's coming. Okay, today we thought we were just gonna, put the beams in real quick, finish the drywall up there. Then we didn't get enough bolts, or no, the beams fell apart first. Beams fell apart. Beams fell apart. Then we had to redo the beams, and we added bolts. So many bolts, 40 bolts per beam. But we got them up, and we put in these, which are trusses? Joists, all across here. We left a bigger gap here because we're putting in an attic ladder. Oh, we didn't finish the drywall at all. Drywall is solid day 3. Still lots to do. It's day 4. Look at these bags under my eyes. Oh my gosh. Driveway that I'm walking up. It's so steep. Every morning, my dad's just out here with a chainsaw, and that's our alarm. Whew, I'm tired. Okay, we ended at 4 o'clock today because we had to get the scaffolding back. Everyone's exhausted, like so tired. I can barely keep my eyes open, but I'll show you guys what we got finished. Everything still looks completely a mess, but we have drywall, except for this one spot. Down here, we just need to fix up this in here. We need to finish there tomorrow. And then we replaced the soffits, so we have to replace all of this along here for ventilation, and we'll have to mud all the drywall. I'll show you guys the loft. This is the loft. So far, it actually is so much space. I don't know if you can really tell, but we have to finish all of that. 2 more days, but it's looking good. It's Saturday. Today we are finishing up all of the different things that still need done. So we have to put in our attic ladder in the loft. We need to finish all the drywall, soffits, and things like that. Okay, it's the end of day 5. It is Saturday. and we are all exhausted, like so tired.
Killing bees.
Killing bees. We are so tired, but we're so close. We almost finished all the drywall today, and we mudded the drywall. Finished that corner. Most of the ceiling's done. We just have to finish this side. The loft. This will be our attic stairs.
Put some slats there.
Yeah, we added slats to the front of the house. So that we're gonna repaint the whole house. I think we're gonna do black. Put some soffit up. Yeah, we finished that. Let's see. Soffits. How beautiful. That's it. The day is done. We have finished the loft. Day 6. We're leaving tomorrow. We've completed everything we wanted to get done. And we're done. We're so tired. It is the final day. My parents, oh, there's a tick on me. It's the final day. Our parents have left. It's me, Dylan, and Eric left. And we go on a plane tonight to Florida to pack up our stuff and move out. I can't believe we're doing this. Feels right. Feels right. Here we go. Here's our apartment currently. All of these little tiny